So timing the 3-liter Blue Tech, following the marks provided by Mercedes, when you have the crankshaft top dead center, right hand head in top dead center, you're going to line the balancing shaft at 12 o'clock. Although there's a notch that implies otherwise, it goes at 12 o'clock, just as it does in the diagram. These marks for each one of these cam sets shows 2 dots that need to match. You can line them up, but have to be aware they can be out 180 degrees and look correct. The only way to really distinguish that you have them correct if you had the cams apart and left idle and then brought back together later is that on the cylinder head there's a mark, and I'll show you here. The mark on the cylinder head, which you might be able to see, is just right there at the end of my finger. On the outside gear that's driven by the chain, that dot is actually in the gear. Hopefully you can see that. On this side, the non-driven gear, the mark is recessed in. It's not on the tooth. Very easy to get these marked as they will time to the center teeth correctly. So you see that one's recessed, and if you look here, this is one is in correct time. However, you can reverse that 180 and it will look correct, but you will have interference. Same with the other side. The one way to know for sure is that the intake manifold side of the head, the dot on the cam gear will be recessed in and not on the tooth. And the dot on the outside of the head, exhaust side, the dot will actually be on the tooth and not recessed like it is on this side. Easy to mistake, easy to think you have it right. When you're turning it over to verify your timing, you're going to know that it's binding if you're out, but that's what you're going to need to look for. I hope that helps somebody. Took me a day to figure it out.